If you say what's right, there's always going to be trouble. What you're really feeling, if you express it, you're going to have real problems in your family. That's why a lot of times your family tells you, shh, don't say anything, okay? Don't say anything. Because if you say something, it's going to make a real problem. It's better just to be quiet. It's better not to speak up. Everybody around the world gets this advice. If you know what's good for you, shut up. Don't say anything. Don't talk about it. You know they get very upset. You know how your uncle gets. You know how your brother gets. You know how your mom gets. You know your mom has a heart condition, right? You want to kill her? Do you want to kill her? I don't want to kill her. Then shut up. You know, don't you know about sabr? You should have sabr. And we made a new definition of sabr that's not from Islam. Our new definition of sabr is shut up. Right? That's the new definition of sabr. So if something is wrong, don't say anything. Do what instead? Do sabr instead. Allah says, وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ. First you speak the truth, then you have sabr. وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ. We say, no. Skip the truth part. Just do the sabr part. And sabr sounds like an Islamic thing to do. So here we are violating the Quran, ignoring its principle.